Good day, sir, madam. My name is Maylin Inay Rimano, 34 years old and single, Filipino citizen. My religion is Roman Catholic. I'm the eldest of the family and I have two brothers. I'm a graduate of 4 years of business administration, major in management. And I have my special skills are cooking of Filipino dishes, but I'm willing to learn Chinese foods and learned how to speak Cantonese language. And I have 3 years in total of experience here in Philippines as a domestic helper. I served person, including two children, and the other one is I served two people, including one elderly. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, washing clothes, and marketing, and taking of children. I love really, I love taking care of children because I consider them as my own siblings. I give them food every day. I give them medicines prescribed by doctor. Every time they sick, I take them on a bath before going to school every day. Then I playing them and tutoring them on their homework every day, and that's I aside from I want to help my family, I want to experience working abroad and to learn or to know their culture, and I want to also I love working abroad, so I want to try.